Primordial QiGong, in China known as Wuji QiGong, and known by many other names, depending on the persons and their philosophies and so forth, is a kind of QiGong that is recognizing our inherent eternal nature. So if you think about where were you at the beginning of the universe, and then think further, where was I before the beginning of the universe? That is the destination, the target, the focus of Wuji QiGong. You've heard of Tai Chi or Tai Chi. Tai Chi means duality, the world after the beginning of the universe. Wuji means the world before the beginning of the universe. And if you ask philosophers, religious people, physicists, and poets, many of them will tell you that there's an aspect of our being that is the same now as it was then, and that we can make contact with that. And some people would call that immortality. Some people call that eternal. And in our eternal life, we are, by virtue of these philosophers and great intuitive beings, that there's an aspect of ourself in this time, now, that is as well as whomever or whatever we were before the beginning of the universe is. In other words, you have an eternal wellness within you. In other words, we have an eternal wellness within ourselves. And Wuji QiGong, Primordial QiGong, the QiGong of the focus on the eternal nature, takes us into a relationship with our eternally well self. And that's part of the power of any kind of QiGong, that it taps us into an aspect of ourself which is well and vital and eternal, meaning immortal. So in other words, that's the aspect of ourselves that is immortal. And with Wuji QiGong, which is a very, very easy to learn and practice form, we can tap into that state.